Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest tech products. Today, we're diving into a crucial upgrade for Nintendo 3DS XL owners, the SPR-003 battery replacement. If you're looking to breathe new life into your gaming sessions, stay tuned because we've got everything you need to know. First off, let's talk about why the SPR-003 battery from JUBOTY is currently our top pick for Nintendo 3DS XL replacement batteries. This little powerhouse boasts a 1900 mAh capacity, significantly higher than the original battery, promising extended gameplay and reduced charging times. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, having a reliable battery is essential, and this upgrade delivers on that front. Now, what sets the SPR-003 apart? It's not just about capacity. This battery is built to last with over 1,000 charging cycles, ensuring longevity and reliability. Plus, it's equipped with built-in safeguards against common battery issues like short-circuiting, overcharging, and overheating, which means you can focus on your game without worrying about your battery's health. Installation is another breeze with the included repair toolkit. Even if you're not a tech wizard, JUBOTY has made it straightforward with step-by-step instructions. But hey, if you prefer visual guidance, there are plenty of tutorials online to guide you through the process. Wondering if it's compatible with your device? The SPR-003 is tailored specifically for the Nintendo 3DS XL and new 3DS XL models, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration. It's a direct replacement, meaning no compromises on performance or fitment. Let's talk real-world performance. Users across the board have praised the SPR-003 for its reliability and extended battery life. Whether you're tackling epic quests or just enjoying a quick gaming session on the go, this battery keeps your device running smoothly. And here's the cherry on top. JUBOTY backs their product with a solid warranty. You get 90 days for replacements and a 30-day money-back guarantee if you encounter any issues. Customer service matters, and JUBOTY stands behind their product. So, should you upgrade to the SPR-003 battery for your Nintendo 3DS XL? Absolutely. Whether you're looking to replace an aging battery or simply want to enhance your gaming experience, this upgrade ticks all the boxes. It's reliable, easy to install, and backed by excellent customer support. That wraps up our review of the SPR-003 battery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!